Hi there, Automotive Control in Bristol. Got with us today a MK7 Golf. Just fitted the brand new KENWOOD DMX80AXS. As you can see here. So this unit will fit into various different cars. You just put the bespoke fitting kit with the car. So in this case, Golf 7. So we've retained the steering wheel controls. We can still access the vehicle menu by pressing a button on the steering wheel. That then flicks us into the vehicle interface screen here, and then we can still access everything we need to, so we haven't lost anything in the car at all. This unit itself gives us Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wireless, FM radio. Really nice upgrade, massive screen. In stock with us, Automotive Control in Bristol. Give us a call, 01779 08 0708. Thank you.